Hello friends, today we will discuss about the duplicate case sets. Duplicate case sets means, for example, there is a enrollment case type. That means whenever I come to the application, log into the application, I enter my details, first name, last name, mobile number, address, and I submit the application. Once the application is submitted, if I try to submit another application with the same details, we need to have the capability to identify the duplicate cases and resolve the case as a duplicate. Okay, let's see how we can do that. For that, first I will create a case type. Okay, I'm giving it like a enrollment. Okay, I'm keeping the same. In the enrollment, we will give like details gathering, manager approval. So first step will be details or submit application. Okay, in the submit application, submit details. Second stage will be approve application. Okay, this is going to be approval reject. Third will be enrollment confirmation. Okay, this is also I'm giving the enrollment confirmation. First of all, we will configure the view for submit details. In configure view, simply I will create first name and text, last name, phone. Okay, phone will be we have the phone. We can give phone or decimal or integer. I'd like to give the integer for now. Okay, let's give the phone. Okay, next email address. We have the type as email. Okay, submit. So we have four fields as part of this enrollment application. We are gathering these four fields. Once four fields are submitted, manager will approve this application, and then in the enrollment confirmation, we can simply display, or we can have some checkbox. Or so for now, we will show the where is submit details. Yes, submit details in read only mode. We will display. Okay, save and done. We will see. It's a simple case type. We have created the simple case type with three stages. Okay, submit application, approve application, enrollment confirmation. Three stages. Each stage has one process and one step inside it. It's a simple case type. And let's see. Now, enrollment case is created. Case number is as 5014. First name, test, last name, test, last, phone. Integer we can give, as we have given phone, we have to give enter properly. If you don't enter properly, click submit, it will give error, something like that. Email should be in the proper email address format. Okay, now click submit. In the second step, we got the approval, write the comments, approve it, and the final it is displaying in the read only screen. So our first case type is ready. Now, how to do the duplicate sets? Okay. Now, where can we put the duplicate sets? Once user log into the application, enter these details, submit details, and after clicking on submit, we have to do the duplicate case. Yes. Okay. If there is already a case with the same details or not, this information we have to verify in the application. So for that, Pega has given out of the box automation. Let me, so I click done step and I go to the automations. In automations, we have the search duplicate cases. Yes, this is the one I selected. In search duplicate cases, this is out of the box given feature. We simply need to put the basic condition and the weighted conditions. Okay. Basic condition. What is basic condition means? This condition must met. For suppose, for this condition, I am thinking email address. Email address should be same. If email address is not same, we will take consider this as a separate case. It is not a duplicate case. So this is a must possible condition. Email first we will verify the email address. If it is matching, then only we go for the weighted conditions. In the weighted conditions, I am checking like we give the weightage. For suppose I am giving 30 if phone number is matching. Okay, phone number is equal to the select another field phone number. Okay, so whatever the enter phone number is equal to the existing cases phone number, we 30 weighted score will come. I'm going to add another one. I will give 30 for this also. I will give first name here. First name is equal to select values, select another field here also first name. Okay, submit. And I'm going to add the another condition, another added condition that what is left? Email address, phone, last name, right? Last name is left. Last name equal to another field, last name, submit. So last name equal to, yeah, okay. If any of these two are matching and email address is same, then I need to consider the case as a duplicate. For that, I will give like a 50 weighted condition. 50. When 50 weighted condition will met, 50 score. If one is met, two are not matching, then it will not match. If any two of these three are matching, then only 50 will be satisfied because 30, 30, 60, right? So 50 will be satisfied and email address is same. Then we consider this as a duplicate case. Okay. Now I'm saving it. Let me save and run. Now I'm entering the details like test, test, 123, 123, 123, 1, email address test at the rate abc.com. Okay. Save, submit. See, I earlier the case is created as a E-5015. It is showing that this might be duplicate. This new case might be duplicate with this E014. Why? Why is it is when I click on the why is shown here? It is showing current case of E0 E-5015 is matching with the E-5014 case with this condition. Okay, email address is exactly matching, first name is matching, phone number is matching. Okay, mandatory condition matching, weighted conditions 60. We got the 60 score, we gave 50, so it is matching. So this is considered as a potential duplicate. Here we have two options: ignorant condition, continue. So what I can do, I can open this case in preview mode. I check the details here. Okay, and then after, okay, this is not, these two cases are not exactly same. So I can ignore and continue. I can click on ignore and continue. Then case will be moved forwarded. So I'm clicking on ignore and continue this time. So I clicked on ignore and continue and I click on submit. Then it came to the approval. Okay. Now what I will do is I create one more case with the same details. We will see. First name as test, last name as test, phone number 123, 123, 123, 1, email address as test at the rate abc.com. Now click submit. See, here it is showing this case, new case might be duplicate for these two cases. Why? Why? Because it is matching all here, and for this it is matching these three. Okay. This time I thought like this E5016 is confirmed as duplicate of E5015. So I have to select the close this as a duplicate case. For which case we have to select the duplicate with which case we have to confirm. And when we click submit, this case will be resolved as duplicate, and this E-5015 will be stored as a PY duplicate ID. So let me submit. Okay, see, this case is resolved duplicate. And if you go for clipboard and check the PY workspace, PY duplicate ID, where is PY duplicate ID as E5015. Okay? So this is all about the duplicate cases. Okay, and if you see here, when I go to the app, these all are the created, like in when we go to process, case type, flow action, work parameters, everything is created. In case management, when we go to certain class and under process, we have the py default case type. Let me open this one. This py default case type rule is exactly equal to this case lifecycle in a different view format. Whatever we do here and extra can be done here in the py default rule, this case type rule. Okay, so in the process, if you see work parties and case wide flow actions, case py default case match, and we have the in stages. If you see here, this is the initial stage. We created three primary stages, one alternative stage. Okay, everything in advanced. We can have the all advanced configurations. So this is all about the duplicate cases. Thank you, friends. We will meet in the next video.